Before we get into this video, I just want to say this is a much more condensed video than what I typically do. Usually my detailing videos go around 20 to 30 minutes, but I just wanted to try something different with this video. So let me know in the comments down below what you think. I'll be uploading the full length video a few days later. If you're interested in the tools and products that we used, if you want to start your own detailing business, or if you want to hire us to clean your car in Houston, Texas, check the description box down below for those links and information. Let's get into this video. And the next minute or so is just going to show you the before condition around the interior. Now, although this doesn't even make it to the top 10 list of dirtiest interiors we've cleaned, there was a dramatic difference once we were done. No, there's not a bunch of shoes and kids' toys and gummy bears and popcorn, chicken nuggets and liquid stains, but there was a light layer of dirt and gunk that just covered the entire interior. It was a bit difficult to see in the camera, but it was very noticeable in person. And we're gonna kick things off by removing as much pet hair and debris that we can inside the interior. We'll do 2 to 3 passes with our vacuum, once at the beginning, maybe in the middle, and definitely towards the end of the detail, so we're ensuring we're removing as much of the pet hair, dirt, and gunk that's around the interior. As Anthony continues to vacuum the interior, I'll move along to the floor mat to brush away the pet hair and leave a small pile so Anthony can come back and just vacuum it up real quick. Once the vacuuming phase is complete, we'll then move on to the agitation and extraction phase of the detail. Here we're going to use super clean diluted 10 to 1. We're going to spray it onto the floor mat and to the carpet and to the seats, and then agitate with a brush, whether by machine or just by hand, and then we'll follow that up with extracting and then mopping it up with a microfiber towel to remove as much water and residue from the fabric. When it comes to extracting, a lot of people are worried that they're going to put too much water into the seat. As long as you're moving the nozzle or the hose and you're only pulling the trigger when you're actually sucking up the water, you're going to be okay and you're not going to oversaturate the material. By the time we're done with the detail, the seats and floor mats are at 80 to 90% dry. Next, let's move on to the plastic panels of the interior. We're going to start off with the door panels, then move on along to the dashboard, center console, and the other areas. Here, very simply, because the door panel wasn't completely gunked with dirt, I'm just using a soft bristle brush with super clean and agitating around the door panel. Now we're moving on to the dashboard, steering wheel, and center console. We're gonna be using just 3 brushes: a medium-sized brush, the larger size brush, the black nylon brush, super clean diluted 10 to 1, and a few towels. That's literally it to clean the dashboard and center console and just about all the other plastic panels. And now we're in the last part of the detail. We're gonna vacuum the entire interior again of any exposed dirt or debris that we might have missed, that we blown out of the cracks or crevices, and give all the door panels and interior panels one last wipe down. After 2.5-ish hours of hard work, we are now done with the interior, and here are the afters. Unfortunately, the lighting was very poor, so it's gonna look a bit grainy because I had to open up all the settings on my camera to get the best lighting.